Hello, welcome to WMW's weekly newscast, bringing you the global waste management headlines. Coming up, overcapacity makes Sweden the destination of choice for waste exports. Cup recycling scheme kicks off at Arsenal's Emirates Stadium. Waste to energy plans to go ahead on Caribbean island of Nevis. And irrigation equipment manufacturer grows recycling business in California. While waste to energy techniques may be controversial in some countries, in Sweden, 32 facilities produce enough heating for nearly 1 million homes and enough electricity for a further 250,000. But with all that capacity, the country does not produce enough domestic waste to keep the fires burning. Anna Karin Gripwall, Communications Director at the Swedish Waste Management and Recycling Association, explains why this has led to waste becoming a commodity which is increasingly crossing borders.
In Sweden we have 32 waste to energy plants. And we incinerate 2.2 million tons of household waste in these plants every year. And we incinerate more than household waste, of course. And the total of the energy from these the plants, it's about 20% of the need for district heating. About 950,000 households we can support with district heating. And about 260,000 households get their electricity from waste to energy. We import waste, approximately 800,000 tons yearly, and we do it because we have overcapacity and other countries have undercapacity. We sell a service. Waste today is a commodity in a different way than it has been. It's not only waste; it's a business, and waste doesn't know any boundaries really, or any national boundaries. This is really an environmental issue, and such as we need to, within the EU or within the whole world, we need to work with waste the best way we can in the best country, the country that is best suitable for it.
Yesterday morning, WMW attended the launch party of the UK's only paper cup recycling scheme. Simply Cups is a partnership between Closed Loop Environmental Solutions and Simply Waste Solutions. Launched at Arsenal Football Club's Emirates Stadium in London, WMW was on hand to find out more.
So the Simply Cup initiative is a joint initiative between Closed Loop Environmental Services and Simply Waste Solutions. Closed Loop Environmental Services being adept at establishing markets for recyclable material, matching that recyclable material with available infrastructure. Simply Waste Solutions being a waste management company that are in a position to be able to cost effectively collect what are relatively small amounts of volume of material and send that into the available infrastructure.
We've done some projects looking at food waste, we've done some projects looking at airline and aircraft waste, and always a common theme running through a lot of this work was the challenge of recycling paper cups. And like I said, Claire's we see ourselves as sort of, it's a popular word, but a solutions provider. And we were looking very closely at paper cups and, just spotting various trends like the opening of the Sunoco plant and the Croppers plant and their ability to recycle Tetra Paks, and realising that they're very similar in design and the materials. It was about assembling all the pieces together. So we had a lot of interest from the Paper Cup Recovery Group, who we'd worked with. We had interest from ACE and Cropper for a good source of material and a good story. And we just kind of put those points together. And along the way, realised that what we needed was a logistics partner, and that's where Simply Waste came in, who we'd also met. So it was all these sort of spotting all these sort of groups around, pulling them together, and forming the beginnings of a closed loop programme.
Perfect.
An early adopter of the scheme has been John Lewis, who became members of the Simply Cup membership in July and undertook a collection as the first customer to do so at their headquartered offices in Victoria from the 1st of August. Since that time we have collected approximately 60,000 cups and continue and have aims to actually capture more.
Perfect. A deal has been signed that will see the development of a $20 million waste-to-energy facility on the small Caribbean island of Nevis. The agreement will see the government's Ministry of Health and the Ministry of Energy and Natural Resources work in partnership with Maryland-based renewable energy firm Omni Alpha. As part of the agreement, Omni Alpha will also build a solar farm to support the waste-to-energy facility and ensure constant power delivery. Construction work is expected to commence in the final quarter of 2014, with both facilities coming online within 12 months. The government said that it hoped the approach will lead to substantial environmental and economic benefits to the people of Nevis Island. Irrigation equipment manufacturer Netafim is growing its business with the collection and recycling of polyethylene irrigation hose. The company said it is providing the service at no cost and that it even pays the grower 4 cents per pound of material collected. Once collected, the hosing is taken to Netafim's recycling facility in Fowler, California. The company said that it monitors the entire recycling process, from testing and evaluating used tubing in the field to washing, grinding and repelletizing. For WMW, I'm Ben Messenger. Thanks for watching.